Today I'm going to show you how to edit on Base44 quickly and easily. If you want to update a project without getting stuck in complicated menus, this simple workflow will help you make changes fast using either AI chat or the built-in edit button. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open the Base44 project you want to edit. Once your project is loaded, take a moment to look at what you want to change. This could be something visual, like the background, a button, a section layout, or even text on the page. The easiest way to make a change is to use the AI chat. Type a clear prompt telling the AI exactly what you want. For example, you could say, change the background to a darker color. You can also be more specific if needed, like change the background to a blue gradient or make the hero section cleaner and more modern. The more direct your prompt is, the better the result will usually be. After you send the prompt, Base44 will process the request and apply the change for you. Review the update and see if it matches what you had in mind. If it needs a small adjustment, you can simply ask the AI to refine it again. Another way to edit in Base44 is by clicking the edit button at the top. This lets you virtually make the changes more directly. Use this option when you want to manually adjust parts of the project and visually control what gets updated. It's a good choice when you already know exactly what needs to move, change, or be replaced. So in short, you have two simple options. You can use the AI chat to describe the change, or you can use the edit button at the top to make changes virtually. That's the fastest way to edit on Base44. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy Base44 guides. Thanks for watching.